Imagine this. A blizzard has just dumped feet of snow, burying everything. Trains can't run. Planes are grounded. The world is at a standstill. But then, a deafening roar cuts through the silence. It's not a plane taking off. It's a massive jet engine, mounted on a truck, unleashing a hurricane of superheated air, vaporizing the snow in seconds. This isn't science fiction. This is the world's most extreme. So, how does this incredible machine work? The concept is brilliantly simple, yet utterly insane. Take a powerful jet engine, strap it to a heavy-duty vehicle like a truck or even a locomotive, and point it at the snow. The engine's immense thrust, a force designed to propel multi-ton aircraft through the sky, acts as a colossal leaf blower. But that's only half the story. The real magic comes from the exhaust gases, which can reach temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat doesn't just blow the snow away, it melts and vaporizes it almost instantly, clearing a wide path with astonishing speed. It's pure, raw power, repurposed for a surprisingly practical, albeit extreme, task. This incredible idea isn't new. Its roots trace back to the Cold War era, particularly in the Soviet Union and Eastern Bloc countries, faced with vast snow-covered territories and a need to keep critical infrastructure operational. Engineers turned to an abundant resource: decommissioned military hardware. They took powerful climb-off VK-1 engines, the very same ones that powered the legendary MiG-15 fighter jets, and gave them a second life. These surplus engines were mounted onto the chassis of heavy trucks, creating monstrous snow-clearing machines. Imagine the heart of a supersonic fighter jet, once a symbol of military might, now repurposed to battle the forces of nature. This innovative, if brute force approach spread to other countries as well. In North America, railroad companies began experimenting with their own versions, using engines from retired American jet fighters to keep their vital rail lines clear during harsh winters. It was a perfect example of turning swords into, well, gigantic, fuel-guzzling snowplows. The primary applications for these jet-powered snowblowers are in places where time is critical and traditional methods just are unning fast enough. Think about a major international airport after a heavy snowfall. Every minute a runway is closed costs airlines millions of dollars. A fleet of conventional snowplows can take hours to clear a long runway. A jet snowblower, however, can do the job in a fraction of that time. Its wide, powerful blast clears snow and ice far more effectively, ensuring the pavement is not just clear, but also dry and ready for takeoffs and landings almost immediately. The same logic applies to railways. A train stuck in a snowdrift can paralyze an entire network. Locomotives fitted with jet engines can power through massive drifts, clearing the tracks ahead and ensuring that freight and passengers keep moving. These machines are particularly useful in remote, mountainous regions where avalanches can bury tracks under tons of snow. Where a conventional plow might struggle, the jet engine's sheer force can blast through the obstruction, showcasing its unique value in high-stakes, time-sensitive situations. It's the ultimate tool when you need to clear a lot of snow. Right now, of course, using a fighter jet engine to blow snow comes with a pretty obvious set of pros and cons. Let's start with the advantages, which are all about speed and power. Nothing clears snow faster. A jet snowblower can clear miles of railway track or an entire airport runway in the time it would take a conventional plow to just get started. Its effectiveness is unmatched. It not only removes the snow but also melts any residual ice, leaving a clean, dry surface that is safer for planes and trains. This can be a game-changer during extreme weather events, preventing catastrophic delays and keeping essential services running. It's an incredibly powerful solution for an incredibly difficult problem. Now for the downsides, and they are significant. First and foremost is the fuel consumption. A jet engine is designed for flight, not for efficiency on the ground. These machines drink jet fuel at an alarming rate, sometimes burning hundreds of gallons per hour. This makes them astronomically expensive to operate compared to a diesel-powered plow. The cost isn't just in fuel, but also in maintenance. These are complex, high-performance engines that require specialized care. Then there's the environmental impact and the noise. The deafening roar of a jet engine can be heard for miles, and the exhaust fumes are anything but clean. And let us not forget the sheer danger of operating a machine that shoots out 1,000-degree blast of air. You have to clear a huge safety zone, as anything not tied down, from small rocks to large pieces of equipment, can become a deadly projectile. So, when you weigh the incredible speed against the colossal cost and environmental impact, are these machines worth it? The answer is yes, but only in very specific circumstances. For the day-to-day dusting of snow, a regular plow is perfectly adequate and far more economical. But when a major blizzard threatens to shut down a nation's critical transportation hubs, the jet snowblower becomes an invaluable emergency tool. It's a specialized instrument for an extreme problem. Its value isn't measured in costs per hour, but in the millions of dollars saved by preventing an entire airport or railway system from grinding to a halt. It represents a fascinating compromise between brute force engineering and economic reality. In conclusion, the jet engine snowblower is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt powerful technology for unexpected purposes. Fuel-hungry beast that we call upon when nature throws its worst at us. By taking the heart of a supersonic fighter and pointing it at a snowbank, we've created the most extreme, most powerful, and arguably the coolest snow-clearing machine on the planet. It's a perfect symbol of how sometimes the most audacious and overthought solution is the only one that will get the job done. Thanks for watching. If you were as amazed by this piece of extreme engineering as I was, do you forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. Let me know in the comments what other crazy inventions you'd like to see covered. See ya in the next one.